Today I'm going to share my journey cutting cable TV, the many options I tried, and then I'll show you what I ended up going with. These devices will work with your Google Chrome stick, your Roku, Apple TV. They work your computer, your iOS devices, your Android devices, Windows devices. They will work with any of these. We had a TiVo for a while, but at the time TiVo didn't do any of the streaming. And by the time you paid for the TiVo and then paid for the service, you were back up there to cable prices. Thought I'd try out a Tablo. I got the Tablo, set it up, worked perfectly. The app goes ahead and sets up your antenna. It sets up your streaming accounts, everything really easy. I would say the resolution on this was probably a really clean 480p. Cable cutters seem to really like the HDHomeRun Flex 4K, and they were going on about how nice the picture was, and you just had to be a little patient setting it up. Thought I'd try that, and it was harder than the devil to set up to get it to working. I finally got it to working, but I could not for the life of me get the app coordinated with the antenna and the streaming. I know others have. I couldn't, and I lost my patience with it. I was a little disappointed in the picture quality, which I thought was maybe a clean 720. The online forums were all saying, oh, the video qualities on these are great. I didn't think it was that much better than Tablo. When it was all said and done, I ended up keeping Sling. Sling is an online service that maps all these channels out for you, gives you a DVR, and depending on the price tier you go with, for $40, I get my local channels, and I get the major channels that I like, pretty much what we had with cable for $135. I did stay with the Sling, and I also ended up with this video recorder that I hadn't planned on buying. But this little thing records anything from any device. As long as the device has an HDMI out, this records it. I'll give you an in-depth review later with this device. But I'm really liking this device. It records to an external hard drive or an SD card. And I mean, anything you can plug in here, it records. I'm sure we're all looking for something that's perfect. Anyone who's had any experience with any of these or something else, go ahead and leave it down below in the description for all of us. That's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.